Alright, T2, so today I'm gonna show you another airsoft toy gun, and this is also a PUBG gun. Well, I just don't know the model, which gun it is. If any of you guys know that, then let me know in the comments below. Well, this one looks like an AK-47. This is not AK-47, maybe the other model of the Kalashnikov. AK, there are so many models there. Just like the AK-47, AK-47U, AK-56, AK-74, so many. Maybe this is one of them, I'm not sure. So this is the gun, and here you can see all the details. Manufacturing date 1 January 2019, and the price is 1,999 inclusive of taxes. This one cost me 1,299 INR on Amazon, which is much lower than the MRP. That's a very good thing. I like that. The price should be like that. So that's it. Now let's open this box, and voila, this is the gun. This is the main gun. This is the magazine. This is the scope. This is the front muzzle, and this is the buttstock. So that's all you get, and there are some babies out there, you can see. So let's take it out of the box. This is it. This looks nice and feels good holding in the hand, and you can see it's quite big in size. Yeah, so nice. And this is the pullback lever. That's it. That's how it works. So this is it, and the color combination, this is the best thing I like about this gun. This army green color and the black color, and here it's written the Troy. So let's take this muzzle out and see something is written there. Novoski US patents, and there you can see two notches are there on the both sides. So need to connect like that. There it is. And buttstock, just pull it. When you want to open it, pull this button back and slide it up. That's it. It's very easy. So this is the magazine. You can see it's in my hand. It's quite big in size, and more than that, I like this design on this thing. That makes it looks much more real. And the BBs will be here, and you can put the BBs from the space here. You put all the BBs, and there will be a hole there inside. Slide this spring down and shake it like that, just like the other one I showed you before. So this is how it works, all the BB guns. So now let's connect this. That's it. So now this looks so cool, and this is the scope. It looks like the 4x scope as we have seen in the PUBG. Well, there is something different about this scope, because the scope come with all the guns are fake, but this one is not fake, it's real. You can see the glass here, and also you can see the glass at the back. Yeah, and it magnifies also, if you can see. Yeah, just like that. So using this scope you can clearly see the targets and can shoot. So that's a nice thing. And also you cannot slide that in. There are two twisted locks here, just like the real one. So it's like this. So this is it. It's the complete assembly of this gun, which looks very nice. I love that color combination, as I told you, and the design. I just can keep it for my collection of the airsoft guns. And also there is things about, you can twist this black part of this buttstock just like this. It's straight now. You just push this one in, slide it just like this. Okay, like this, and then to the other side just like this. So that's it, guys. This was the unboxing video of this airsoft toy gun, and hope you're gonna like the video, and let me know in the comments below the model of this gun. If you guys know, say PUBG gun. Hope you have seen this gun in PUBG. So that's it. That's all for today, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.